Python is a popular high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and first released in 1991. Python is an interpreted language, which means that the code is executed line by an interpreter rather than being compiled beforehand. Python is widely used for a variety of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. It has a large standard library and a large community of users, which makes it easy to find support and resources. Python's syntax is designed to be intuitive and readable, with a focus on code readability and maintainability. This makes it a great language for beginners to learn, as well as for experienced developers who want to quickly prototype or develop applications. Python is an open-source language, which means that the source code is freely available to the public and can be modified and distributed by anyone. This has helped to fuel its growth and popularity over the years. Python is a high-level language, which means that it abstracts away many of the low-level details of computer programming, making it easier for programmers to focus on solving problems rather than worrying about implementation details. Python is an object-oriented language, which means that it uses objects to represent data and functionality. This makes it easy to organize code into modular, reusable components. Python has a large standard library, which provides a wide range of built-in functions and modules that can be used to perform common programming tasks, such as working with strings, files, and networking. Python is cross-platform, which means that it can run on a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Python has many third-party libraries and frameworks available, which can be used to extend its functionality and build complex applications. Some popular examples include NumPy and Pandas for data analysis, Flask and Django for web development, and TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning. Overall, Python is a powerful and versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple scripts to complex software systems. Its popularity and ease of use make it a great language for beginners to learn, while its flexibility and power make it a favorite of experienced developers. Python is dynamically typed, which means that variable types are determined at runtime rather than being declared explicitly. This makes the language more flexible, but can also make it more difficult to catch certain types of errors. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This means that developers can choose the programming style that best suits their needs. Python's syntax is designed to be easy to read and write, with a focus on code readability. It uses whitespace to indicate block structure, which makes it easier to understand and maintain code. Python has a REPL environment, which allows developers to interactively write and test code. This can be a powerful tool for exploring the language and experimenting with new ideas. Python has a large and active community of users, who contribute to the language by creating libraries, frameworks, and tools. This means that there are many resources available for learning and solving problems with Python. Python is used by many large organizations, including Google, Facebook, and NASA. Its popularity in industry has led to a strong job market for Python developers. Python is constantly evolving, with new versions and features being released regularly. This means that the language is always improving and adapting to new use cases and technologies. Overall, Python is a powerful and flexible language that is well suited for a wide range of applications. Its simplicity, readability, and versatility have helped to make it one of the most popular programming languages in use today.